Assalamu alaikum, good morning and a very warm welcome. This is your Zoom online class and I'm your English teacher for today's summary. How are you all my students? I know you all are fine and doing well. Kindly take care of your health and your family as well. Stay home, stay safe. So my dear students, we have started the unit 2, unit 11. It's a wise judgment, and we have done the question answers and the rest of the exercises as you remember. Now we have, if you remember, that we have previously discussed that grammar and what is the section. In section grammar we have discussed adverb. Adverb is a word that describes or tells something more about a verb. An adjective and another adverb. You know, adverb describes verb, adjective describes noun, and adverb never describes a noun. Fine. So with that we have done the exercise, and then a question how to make an adverb from an adjective. We can make some adverb from adjectives by adding ly. If the word ends in y, we remove the y and add ILY. For example, it's sad, and then the sad is adjective, and when we want to make it adverb, then we put ly. Okay? It's then the word merry and the merrily. What we put here? ILY. So it becomes merrily. Fine. Now, exercise B. Let's start with the exercise. We have done the exercise B. Use the adjectives to form adverbs. ठीक है, यहाँ पे adjectives को हमने use करके इसके जो बनाने थे, क्या करने थे, हमने उसका adverb बनाना था. ठीक है, the word adjective soft, busy, smooth and quiet. And how to make soft, the adverb of soft? Softly we put only ly. Busy, then busily, busily. Then smooth, smoothly. Then quiet, quietly. Okay, now let's move to another exercise. That is how to form adjective and adverb. Adjective is already there, so we can form the adverb. Like gentle, it's gently. Lucky, it's luckily. Sudden, it's suddenly. Proud, proudly. We made proud, only we put ly, and in sudden we put ly. In luckily we put ILY, we remove y. Remember, we remove y. And then gentle, we put only ly. The next exercise that we are going to do, that is the word lazy. When we put LAZY and we remove y and we put ILY, it becomes lazily. Sweet, we only put ly, it's sweetly. Then happy, ILY we put only y because we just remove y. ठीक है, तो ये बन जाएगा happily. Then rough and roughly. Rough में हमने y को remove क्योंकि rough word है इसमें, इसलिए हम इसको simple ly के साथ करेंगे. ठीक है. Then exercise C. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverb from the list below. Here we have given the list. हमें उन्होंने list दी हुई है. ठीक है, और इस list को अब हमने बड़े अच्छे से according to sentence आपने इसको fill करना है. ऊपर जो adverb दिए हमें उसको the word is slowly, bravely. Slowly का मतलब होता है आहिस्ता. Bravely बहादुरी से. Sadly means उदासी से. Badly बुरे तरीके से. Noisily शोर वाला. ठीक है. Heavily भारी. Swiftly smooth, soft. Completely मुकम्मल. ठीक है. अब हमने कौन से एडवर्ब में, कौन से सेंटेंस में कौन सा एडवर्ब फॉर्म करना है, इसमें डालना है, वो आप अपने साथ साथ अभी हमने क्लास में किया. So the soldier fought dash in the battle. जब भी soldier आपके माइंड में आएगा तो definitely it comes bravely. Fine. Then number 2, the girl's story was dash written. Slowly written, badly written, swiftly written. It's up to you. ठीक है, slowly भी आ सकता है और badly भी आ सकता है, swiftly भी आ सकता है और completely भी आ सकता है. The girl's story was completely written. ठीक है, swiftly written and also it comes slowly written. Fine. Number 3 is yesterday it rained dash all day long. तो इसमें क्या आएगा? heavily. ठीक है? Yesterday it rained heavily all day long. Number 4 is the boy looked dash at his broken computer. Yes, definitely. इसमें आएगा sadly. The boy looked sadly at the broken computer. Then the snail crawled dash along the footpath. अब स्नेल जो है आपको पता है हाउ इट मूव स्लोली, सो इट कम्स स्लोली. द स्नेल क्रॉल्ड स्लोली अलोंग द फुटपाथ और स्विफ्टली. यू कैन से इसमें स्विफ्टली एंड स्लोली बोथ आर हैविंग द सेम मीनिंग. आप स्विफ्टली लिखना चाहें तो भी ठीक है, स्लोली कर लें तो भी ठीक है, फाइन. देन द स्वेलो फ्लू डैश थ्रू द एयर. ठीक है, यस, noisily. Okay, the swallow flew noisily through the air. And then Fizza dash forget to finish her homework. Fizza completely forgot to finish her homework. Okay, now the next exercise which we are going to do, or which we have done in the class, that is fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs from the list below. ये जो एक्सरसाइज हमने अभी की है ये उसकी आपको completely उसकी देख लें आप, इसको हमने फिल कर लिया था. The soldier fought bravely. Yes, the girl's story was badly written. Yesterday it rained heavily. And then the boy looked sadly. ये heavily का H जो है बेटा it will be small, fine. The boy looked sadly at his broken computer, and the snail crawled slowly along the footpath, and the swallow flew swiftly through the air, and Fizza completely forgot to finish her homework. Fine. So I hope you will enjoyed your lesson, today's lesson, and it was so helpful for you for learning the grammar. And my dear students, I wish you all the best and have a nice day. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself and your family as well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.